This conference will now be recorded.
Perfect. Last class, we were talking about getters and setters. We have seen how to go ahead and use get and set. What is a get? Whenever you want to transfer a data from a class to a page, we use get. Whenever you want to transfer a data from a page or from an external source to a class, we use set, right? And the concept is called getters and setters, also known as, right, page controls or action controls. Action controls. Now today we will see one more example, right? And today we will see Salesforce specific example, right? We will look for Salesforce, right, specific example, right? So let me log in Rupam @ right, of117.com, password CRM1234 hash, right? Perfect. Now I click on setup. I click on developer console. Now I click on file. I click on new. I click on class. CL underscore today's date 23 11 underscore example1 underscore create account primitive. Now there we go. Keep watching. Public string name, ACC name, get set, get set. Next, public string ACC phone. Let me copy this. There you go. Public string ACC fax. Get set. Public string ACC rating. Public string ACC industry. Get set. Public string MSG message. Get set. Public string ERR error color. Get set. Public string SUCCSSCLR success color. Get set. These many public variable I declared using a get set. No error at all. Now I'm writing a method. Right. Public void create ACC. method name is createACC. Method name is createACC. Right? I will say try. Try to do this. Catch. Try what? In catch, exception. E. This is how you write try catch statement. Everyone is clear? Anybody has any question till here? Looks all good. Yes, everyone looks all good.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Try what? Account ACC equals to new account. Account ACC equals to new account. ACC dot name is equals to whatever we give to this public variable called ACC name, that will be transferred to the account name. ACC dot phone is equals to whatever is transferred to line number 4, right? That will be passed here. ACC dot fax. Whatever is the fax number that we pass will be passed here. Next, ACC dot industry is equals to whatever is passed to the industry. Next, ACC dot rating. Whatever we pass to this public variable, that I will pass to my rating. Finally, I'll insert ACC. Right? Then message equals to account insertion was successfully done with account ID plus ACC dot ID. Display the ID. Next, message is done. Success color is equals to green. If it fails, then it will go to the catch. Then I will say message equals to ACCOU account insertion failed due to the following error plus E dot get error, get message. Whatever is stored in this E exception, show me that message. Next, error color. I created one more variable. Error color equals to red. Now, this is the whole class with the method. Everything is public. Anybody has any confusion? Anybody has any confusion? Public void create ACC, there is a try catch. Insert the try, I'm trying to insert an account. Insert the catch, I'm trying to catch the error, as well as setting the error message color to red. All good till here, everyone?
I think I missed
Yes.
it. Is it the success color and the error color are the computer like standard library?
No, There's nothing called, see why this question is coming up, right? What
Because
is
you
this?
directly wrote it as
It's a
green, so
variable.
it will not show in green color, right?
Why it will not show in
Okay.
green? I mean, why do you think it will not
Green,
show in green?
green in the sense you mean the word or the color?
Color.
It,
Currently, it's a word. Currently, it's a word.
okay, okay, okay.
Currently, green is a word. We have not used that green anywhere. We will use it. No. This is only half piece of program.
Okay, got it.
Did you understand this whole program? Don't get into the color now, where the color will be shown, how it will be shown. We have not yet come to the UI. It is the logic that I have written. I have not yet come to the UI piece. Did you understood the method with method, try, catch? Inside the method is a public method.
Yes, true.
We have written everyone. We have written try catch. Now I'm using it. I have given you in the language construct try catch. I told you if you are good in this 11 language construct, nobody can stop in Apex. Nothing. Now I'm just writing public and everything remains same. Your string ACC, these are primitive data type. We are on that, we are adding get set. Where the game remains same. The only difference is that now you're wearing a helmet. Now you're wearing a guard. Now you're wearing your hand gloves. Somebody has to throw the ball and you have to hit. It has to go out of the boundary. It will be 6. If it touches the ground, there will be 4. Rule, everything remains same. Nothing has changed. Only thing is that some extra parameters is coming in. Something called public, something called get set. You're writing the logic inside public void create. It's a method. Inside a method, you're writing the logic. This logic try catch is same. Try, catch. I'm doing nothing different. What you have learned in the practice ground. The only difference is that this couple of pieces. This was not there in the practice ground. Public void. It's a method. Inside a method, you write a logic. This public keyword was not there. Now you're writing it. This get set was not there. Now you're writing it. Other than this, everything remains same. No change in logic anywhere. Look, feel, right? Everyone, clear? Everyone, clear? I cannot go ahead and write this example every day. Remember that. Within 2 or 3 examples, you should be able to understand. We are already delayed. And on that, I'm giving you, yesterday I gave example, today I gave another example. Next day I'll give another example. I can give you 1,000 examples like this. But you need to understand within 2 or 3 examples how the whole structure is working. Right? Perfect. Now I click on Control S. I save it. Now I create the UI for this. New Visualforce. It's a classic UI. VF underscore 2311 underscore example1 underscore create ACC OUNT account PRIMITIV. I'm giving almost same name so that you can connect both. First thing, controller. Controller equals to class name, not standard controller. I'm taking controller equals to class name. Perfect. Then I use insert. So for insertion, I will say Apex Apex form. We need to have a form. Inside the form command, Apex page block title equals to ACCOUNT account. Next, Apex page block section title equals to account creation. Number of columns equals to 1. I want all in one field. Next, apex, input text, input text, label, ACCOUNT, account name, value, value equals to exclamation, ACC name. Mute please, mute please, mute please. Sai bro, mute please. Right. Next, account phone. That's a label. I can give anything. Pass it to this field called account phone. Next, account fax. I want whatever you enter here, fax. That should go to this variable that we declare public called account fax. Control C. I have more. Right. Next, what is that? Account rating. Whatever you enter in this line number 8, account rating. Rating. You can give any label. That's a label. I'll give rating. Now, account industry. Whatever you enter in this text field has to be assigned to this variable called account industry because there's a get set. And then I will have apex command button value equals to, right? Click here to save. Next, action equals to exclamation. Call the method. What is the method name? Create ACC. See, I'm not calling a system action. Now I'm calling a custom action. Right? Here, I will put a div class equals to my box. Here, I'm writing a style command, style script dot my box. We have did this all. How to give a color? My box color, COLOR, color equals to right. I can give one color actually, right? Success color green, right? Okay, or I'll say CLR. Here, rather than two variable, I can give one CLR. Here also CLR. Only one variable I'm giving. I'm not giving the other variable. No success color, no error color. Let's give one variable. Why to make your life so complicated? Right, color. Now, Control S, CLR. Here we go. Color equals to exclamation CLR. Exclamation CLR. Font size equals to 25px. Control S. And here I will display the message. Exclamation. What is the message? Message is message. In the message, you will have account insertion successfully done, account insertion failed, right? Color will be assigned green or color will be assigned red. That means, right, this whole message will come in red color or green color because my box is defined here. It's an internal style. Color, from where are you getting green and red? I'm getting it from the class exclamation CLR. Control S. Preview. Oh, it's still saving. Now I'll say preview. There we go. Account name, HP Technology. Phone number, 22222. Fax number, 3333. Rating, right? Rating, ENER, rating, hot. Industry, ENERGY, energy. I hit save, right? I didn't got the color. Don't worry, we'll check it out, right? Account insertion was successfully done. One message was displayed on the top. Go ahead and check whether an account got created or not. Setup, App Manager, View All, Sales, I click on account. You see that there's an account created called HP Technology with 2222 coming up. There we go, HP Technology. See, now, right, I refresh the page, right? This time I don't give a name. I give phone number 3366666, fax number 66666. I hit save. Immediately I'll get an error. Account insertion failed due to the following error. See, required field missing, name, account name is missing. One error comes on the top. From where it's coming? It's coming from here. My box dot my box. Right here, I didn't give a semicolon. Control S. Somewhere we made a mistake. That is the reason it was not showing. As simple as that. Now I don't give anything. I click on save. Right? See? Can you see that? Error is coming in red now. Error is coming in red.
Sir, can we change the location of that error box, sir?
Yes, we can. Don't you know how to change the location? Wherever you want to put, you can put it. Right? Where do you want this message to be displayed? In front of the field? Towards the bottom?
Yes.
Then Control X.
Yes.
You want to put in the center? Then use right below the button. I'm placing it wherever you want. It'll come in the bottom, it'll come in the top. Two places it'll come now. Two places will show the error. On the bottom, on the top. You want to move it to center? You know, I told you in the style how to move left side, how to move right side, how to move padding, alignment, all those things we have done with CSS. These questions shouldn't be coming now. You know how to align a component in Salesforce. How to increase the font, right? Alignments are there, right? You can use alignments. Font size. See, the command is font space font dash size. Control C. Do you feel that you need to ask this question, how to align it, how to color it? That is the reason we did in the basic class of your Visualforce, where I showed you how to insert a picture, how to go ahead and use this style, didn't I? Internal styles. There are 3 types of styles available. So now I'm doing it 30 pixel. Go ahead and see. Font will come in 30 pixel. You refresh the page. Right? It's still saving. Control S. Right? Div. Right? Saving is done. Now it will go ahead. Refresh. See? Now you click on save. How the font, big font will come. See? I saved it. Now I'm going to my Visualforce page. I hit save button. See? Wherever you want to show the font size, you can increase. Font style, you can increase. You can put it in the center. You can put it in the box. You can move left. You can move right. You can move top. You can move down. Account name, Ravi Technology. I hit save. Everyone clear? Everyone clear? Front end connected to the back end. In the front end, we have only designings, which we have learned in the Visualforce classes. Now we are writing backend, and we are connecting our front end to the back end. Now we are connecting our front end to the back end. That's it. As simple as that. Perfect? Yes or no? Everyone. Shall I close it? This is the backend example. This is the backend program, which is Apex. This Apex is connected to the front end, which is nothing but UI. It's a classic UI. See, you'll get a color in red or a green. You give blue here, right in the backend, it will show in blue. After success, show me in blue. If it's a fail, show me in pink. You change the logic. That's it. The logic will change. Refresh the page. I hit save. It'll come in pink now. See, it came in pink. I give a name ABCTCHHHHHH. I hit save. It'll come in blue. Perfect. I'm writing one more. I'm doing backend frontend, backend frontend, backend frontend. New class CL underscore 2311 underscore example 2 underscore ACCO event account SOQL. Account SOQL. Public list of account. ACC list gets it. No problem. Case on, case off, upper character, lower character, that it doesn't make any difference. Public void bring ACC data. Method name is bring ACC data. One variable, one method, right? Bring ACC data. ACC list is equals to select ID, comma, name, comma, phone, comma, fax, comma, industry, comma, rating, comma, sick, your wish, from ACC OUNT account. As simple as that. Over. Inside a method, I'm assigning the ACC list with an data pulled through an SOQL query. Simple. Now I'm writing Salesforce programming. I'm no more writing a generic programming. All clear? Anybody has any questions? There is one variable, collection variable. It's a list of account. Able to understand? Yes or no? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I will display the data in the front end. Visualforce page. VF underscore 2311 underscore example 2 underscore ACCOUNT account SOQL. I'm giving same name. The reason is that so that you can correct. I can give anything here. I can say display account page. See, Apex page. Controller equals to the class name. Can you connect more than one class? No. Here you cannot give comma another class name. You cannot do that. It will not. You can connect only one class. Here, Rupam, I want to connect 3-4 classes. I have logic, my add logic in one class, my multiplication logic in another class, my division logic is in another class, another method. Can't I connect multiple classes? No. In that case, we have to go by inheritance property, which we'll see later. Currently, let us go ahead and connect single class. Right? What is that? Apex form. Apex page block. No sections, no title, nothing. Apex page block section. Page block section. Inside this, I'll use Apex data table. Data table. I can use page block table also. Data table is a raw. Data table is a raw. PAG, page block table. Value. Value equals to what? Exclamation. All the data will be stored in ACC list. ACC list. Var AC. Now inside the table, I want column. Apex column. We have done this in the Visualforce classes. If you're forgetting, then it's your mistake. We have done all these things in the past. Apex column. Apex column. Value equals to, right? AC dot name. Now, in a bracket, exclamation AC dot ID. First column. How many columns you want like this? I want these many columns to be there. Control C. Whatever you pulled, ACC name, phone, fax, industry, rating, right? Sick. Did I pull sick? Yes. Phone, fax, rating, sick. Control S on the keyboard. Control X on the keyboard. This data will populate whenever you call the method. You have to call this method. If you don't call the method, then this SOQL statement will not run, because once you call the method, then only this SOQL statement will run and the data will be assigned to ACC list. That list I'm using in the table. So the table will come blank, and a command button, Apex, COMMA, command button, value, value, value equals to get data, action, exclamation, the method name, bring data, bring ACC data. Apex is over, my backend. Front end is over. This now you can color red, blue, green. You can insert an image. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. I click on preview. See, nothing is there. I get data. As soon as I click on get data, immediately the table will populate. See, I clicked on get data, and now the table got populated. It'll take little time to refresh in your screen. See, whole account information is available, complete. Now, Rupam, I don't want to search everything. It's giving me everything. Rupam, can I search only specific? Yes, sir. That is what I'm doing, the improvement. Now here in the page, there's a table, right? Above the table, I will say Apex, INP to input text, label equals to enter name to search. I want to search by name. Value, whatever you enter here, value equals to, I don't have any variable here. So let me go ahead and create a variable. Public string search text, public string search text, get set. Actually, it is set because you are bringing the data from a page to a class. It's a set, but no problem. You can use get set. See, save. Now I save it. I copy this. I come here. Whatever you enter here, it has to go to that variable. Search text. Perfect. Now the data is available here. Search text. Here I will do string nm is equals to percentage plus search text plus percentage plus percentage. I'm creating a string first, and then where name where name like what, like nm, where name like nm. What is nm? Nm is there. Whatever the data that you enter in the search text, right? On that data, I'm adding a percentage in the front, percentage in the back. That means contains. Rupam
Can we use
technology.
The value there percent search
Then,
text was
then yes, you can use it. If you use directly, then you have to give exact name, because then you have to say equal to. But I want to use a wildcard. I can give directly also, where name in the place of like equals to search text. See, I'm not using name. In that case, you have to give exact same text, then only system will search. Control S. See, I'm not using this NM now. It's waste. Line number 8 is completely waste. Come here,
okay.
refresh the page. Then in that case, you have to give exact name, Ravi, and click on search. You'll not get a data. There's nothing called Ravi. You have to find exact name. HP technology means you have to write HP technology. Control C. That is the reason I'm not, okay, let me close this. Right click, close. Right click, because I'm not able to see the upper bar because of the GoToMeeting panel, right? See, you have to give exact name, get data. Then only system will pull, see? Can you give exactly data? You know, you'll just give HP and system should pull everything related to HP. Then what will I do? I'm trying to be little smart. See, I've used directly. You asked me to use directly, I've used directly. Search text without line number 8. But now that search text I'm placing at line number 8, I'm adding a percentage in the front, I'm adding a percentage at the back, and then I'm calling it as NM. Then I'm not searching directly, I'm saying equals to NM. In the place of equal, I'll say like NM. Control S. Now I don't need to know exact name. I refresh. I can say HP. Get data. System will pull everywhere wherever there is HP. See, I will put A wherever there is a Rupam Technology, there is a Ravi Technology, there is a in HDFC Bank, there is a BANK. A is there. I will say AN. Search AN. Where's the button? Button has gone here down. Search. Get data. Now you see, system will show only account with AN. Can I push it down? Yes, sir. Don't ask me how. That all you should be knowing now. Definitely don't ask me how. After this paragraph tag, we have done this all in the past. Paragraph tag. Control X. I can put after the search, give a paragraph. Then put the button. You can do now anything. To be open and frank, as of today, you are good to go for writing a Salesforce program. See, I'm pulling the data, I'm dumping the data. Before dumping the data, I can do a validation. I will check if the phone number is null. If it's null, then I'll display a message. I'll do that again. See, now I put the command button on the top and then there is a paragraph. Enter. See, you enter anything, RA, search, get data. Anything with RA will come. See, in Express, there is a RA. Transport, RA. ERA, right? Anywhere RA. Grand, GRA. Ravi, RA. RAVI. Wherever there is a RA, system is pulling the data. Simple page. Simple logic behind it. You can query any table. You can query your passenger table. You can query your payment table. In this place, put passenger. Here, first underscore name underscore C, last underscore name underscore C. Here, payment registration underscore fee underscore C. Go ahead. Guys, able to understand? Yes or no?
Sir, one last
Class,
clarification. So if we are giving the text for to search, we can give it like percentage, some text and then percentage. But if we are passing some value,
you, mhm, mhm. then directly you will use it.
Okay, yeah. Thank you, sir.
As simple as that. No, if you're, I just showed you a few seconds back directly as a value, search text. I've directly put this search text here,
Yes, sir. Got it.
right? With directly, you can't say like, you have to use equal to. Like will require percentage. Like, a like statement in SQL should have a percentage. You directly cannot say that like search text. It will give an error.
No, sir. What I was asking is like during our
You
previous
can. I already
classes.
shown you, no? Didn't I showed you? I got it. What you are trying to ask? I showed you, right? With equal
Yeah.
to also.
No,
Then
not this, sir. Like when we are discussing in the earlier classes, if we are searching for a string Ravi RA, we were giving like percentage RA percentage, right? Here we are getting it from
correct.
the page. That's why we are assigning it to the variable, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Right. Obviously, I don't want to fix it anything. I don't
Yeah.
want to give a fixed variable. I want a dynamic. So that's the reason I declare a variable.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Open. Guys, able to understand? Yes or no? Once again, I'm opening the first example that I showed you. Open. Pages. Today's class. Create account page. Again, I'm opening the same thing which I started. Try to create account. Try. Hold this blue. I'm removing it. Control X. Oh, perfect. Yes, Control X. Where is the bracket gone? Try. Control Z. Control Z. Control Z. Why? Let me copy. See? Till here. Control X. Try. If phone, right? If I'm pasting this inside the if. Now inside the if I'm pasting it. You can do anything. You cannot create account if the phone is null. If what? If acc.phone not equals to null. Whenever it's not equals to null, then only you have to insert. Else, see, insert try catch I'm using else. Else, message equals to phone cannot be null. Phone cannot be null. Account phone cannot be null. Please enter valid phone. And I want color to be red. If it's saved, it will come in blue color. It will save only when phone is not equals to null. So if you give the phone null now, system will not. See, review. Same, the first example that I created, I'm opening it again. I give name, right? Name is EFG Tech. See, I'm not giving the phone. I'm giving the fax number 888. I'm giving the rating hot. I'm giving industry, banking. I hit save. Ah, it's saved. It shouldn't be. That means our logic is wrong somewhere. Try not equals to. Not equals to null. This is not equals to. If phone is not equals to null, then only save. That means if it's equal, you should get an error. Let's try it again. Let's see, right? Name, MMM Tech. Fax, 777. Save. Then also it's answered. Okay. If phone is right equals to, because it's a text, no, double equals to blank. If phone is not equals to, let me check in that way. Control S. Right. You have to do some trial and error like this to see how can I give name, MMM, fax, something. Save. See, now it's okay. You cannot save it. Account phone cannot be null. Please enter a valid phone number. Unless until you enter the phone number, system will not save it. Rating, form, industry, ENERGY. Save. See, it will not. Now I give the phone number 888. Save. Now it will say save successfully. See, change to. See. What we're doing, we are converting. If phone is not equals to blank, that means it cannot. If it's not equal to blank, that means something is there. Then only go ahead and create an account. If not, then show the error message. That means if the phone is blank, phone field is blank, you can do data validation now. See, try. While trying, I'm checking. Whatever you want to do, you can do, guys. Whatever you want to do, you can do. It is just that you have to form a logic in your brain. Right? Now, write down a homework. Make it fast.
Sir,
Write it. Yes, tell me.
sir, this is what making of the mandatory field in the page level, right?
Right, that's correct.
Okay, thank you.
You can do that, or you can do like this also. Mandatory means required equals to true. You have to give required. RE, there's a command called as required here. Required equals to true. See?
Yeah.
Required equals to true. Then it will become mandate in the page level, not at an object level mandate. It's a page level mandate, not at an object level mandate. In object level, only name is mandate, not the phone. But in the page level, you are making phone also mandate. If you give like this, no Rupam, I don't want at the page. I want it should be mandated at a class level. See, at a class level, I'm confirming whether the phone is there or not. Perfect. Start writing the homework. Write a Visualforce page with an Apex class to create passenger. To create passenger and display all passenger in a table. In a single page, I want you to create a passenger. There should be an option called passenger first name, last name, phone, fax, email, mobile phone, and there should be a button called as save. You hit the save button, immediately a message should come like this, what I show you on the screen, in a blue color, red color, green color, whichever color you like. And then below this, a table has to display, and the table has to show all the passengers. All the passengers has to be shown. Clear? Clear with the homework? Clear with the homework?
Yes.
Perfect. Right. That's it for today. We'll meet tomorrow again at the same time. Right. As usual, 99.99% I'll be there. 0.001% chances I might not be there. If I'm not there, the message will be displayed clearly on the screen. No class today. If you don't see the message, wait. Rupam will come and I will come exactly on time. Please be here on time. That's it for today. Do the homework. Keep it ready. Thank you. Have a nice and wonderful day. Bye-bye, guys. Take care.